Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site, and make sure to install the Nextra Blocks free plugin. Step 1. Install and activate the Nextra Blocks free plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugin. Then in the search bar, search for Nextra Blocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Step 2. Activate the Blockquote block. To do that, go to Nextra Blocks, then click on Blocks and search for Blockquote. This is the block, enable it and click on Save Settings. Let's see the Blockquote block setting from Nextra Blocks. In the Content tab, you will find two predefined styles to style your Blockquote: Simple Style and Modern Style. In the Simple Style option, you can only add the Blockquote content in the quote content section. In the Modern Style, you can also add an author name in the author field. From the alignment, you can align the content. In the Modern Style, you can add an icon as well. You can add font awesome icon or dash icons. In the Style tab, you will find all the styling options required to customize this Blockquote. From the text typography, you can adjust typography of this Blockquote. You can change the font family, font weight, font size, text transform, font style, text decoration, line height, letter spacing. You can also add global typography as well. From the author typography, you can change the typography of this author name. This author typography option is only available if you select this Modern Style. From the text color, you can change the text color of this Blockquote. From the author color, you can change the color of this author name. You can do these settings for normal and hover states as well. From the quote color, you can change the color of this icon. From the quote icon size, you can adjust the icon size. From icon left offset and icon top offset, you can position the icon. From the padding section, you can add padding in the Blockquote. From the margin, you can add margin as well. From the background tab, you can add border radius to this Blockquote. You can do this for normal and hover states. Then from the box background section, you can add a solid color to this Blockquote block. You can add a gradient or you can add an image as well. Let's continue with the background color for now. You can also add a box shadow. You can do this for both normal and hover states. In the Advanced tab, you will find additional options to style the container of this Blockquote block, which we have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the Blockquote block.